Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm excited to make an egg sandwich today with this lovely mini skillet. All you're gonna need is one egg, spinach, and English muffins, and I'll be using a special ingredient towards the end of the video. Add oil or butter to a pan on medium heat. I like to swirl the pan around to make sure everything is coated. Now it's time to add the spinach to the pan. With a spatula, you just want to move the spinach around. All you're doing here is making sure that the spinach is wilted. This process moves very fast. It should take less than a minute. Once this is done, you want to set the spinach aside. In the mini skillet or pan of your choice, add oil. Just don't add as much as I did because your egg will be too oily. Gently crack your egg into the oil and watch the magic happen. Add the seasoning of your choice. Here I'm using a special spice blend, but you can use salt or pepper or anything that you like. Now this is a part where I like to use a spatula and I like to make sure that the egg does not stick to the pan. So once you've got the egg loose, it's time to flip the egg over gently. Be careful not to break the yolk. I'm going for an over medium style egg because I like the egg a little bit runny. Now it's time to toast our English muffins. Once they are done, remove your English muffins and set them to the side. It's time to assemble our egg sandwich. I'm using a garlic confit that I have made in a previous video. If you want, please check out the video on how to make this, but it adds an amazing flavor to the sandwich. You can assemble this sandwich any way you like, but I like to add the garlic confit to the English muffins because it spreads very well. Be careful not to puncture your egg. As you can see here, mine almost leaked completely. Here's a fun fact about spinach. During medieval times, the green pigment extracted from spinach was used as ink for artwork. So technically, this egg sandwich is a piece of art. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Feel free to share with your friends. If there's any recipe you want me to make, please leave in the comment section below.